What is up, investors? Jason here. So as we had seen Bitcoin and the entire crypto market completely crash, we have been seeing the trend of upward movement a lot within Bitcoin and a lot of these altcoins as well. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Cardano, which we've been seeing Cardano trade sideways for several days now. And the big thing here is when we are seeing this sideways trading and seeing Cardano holding above $1, this brings in the potential of, did Cardano hit the bottom, and is there potential for Cardano to move upwards from here? That is a question that we're going to be asking. So in this video, we're going to be doing a technical analysis of Cardano, going through some current news that's going on, and just talking a little bit about the entire crypto market. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. Helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm and it helps spread these videos to more people that might find it interesting. Now let's get to it. Now looking over at the crypto market, we have a lot of green, which is a good thing. Now we have Bitcoin currently above $38,000, which is a very important price that Bitcoin did need to find support above. So hopefully it is able to hold that and continue going up from there. Now we have Ethereum currently at about $2,700 and Cardano at $105. But the entire crypto market in general, a lot of the big altcoins, other than just Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, etc., they're all also in the green. This is all good news. Now we look at Cardano currently priced at $1.05, and we compare that to where Cardano was at the beginning of September of 2021, where Cardano was priced above $3 at that time. The price currently is far different from those highs, but keep in mind that if we were to look at Cardano from this point right now to this point 2021, it's still up significantly, where we had seen Cardano start out February of 2021 still at around 40 cents or a little bit below 40 cents at times. So Cardano's really moved up a lot from that price. Now, when we had gone into towards the end of February of 2021, that was when Cardano had broken that $1 price and it had held very strongly within that support, which it currently is doing at the same time. So do keep that in mind, that this $1 support is a very major support for Cardano, and it is one that it has managed to hold ever since it has been able to really surpass it and find support. It never has really managed to go much below that. Now, since we saw Cardano drop below that $1.20 price, we've been seeing a lot of this consolidation. It's been hanging out around this $1 price and consolidating more and more. Now, this could mean one of two things, of course. This could mean that we could see the price either have some very positive movements or some very negative movements. Anything, of course, is possible. But keep in mind, I'm somebody that is very optimistic and I'm very bullish on Cardano. So the direction that I usually turn to is more of a positive outlook. Now, with all this consolidation, we're just not really seeing a lot of Cardano changing hands. We're seeing just a lower volume activity, and this is another reason why I think we could be possibly seeing a breakout happen. Now, there are key prices here that we do need to pay attention to, and of course, that is the $1 support that we're currently holding within right now. But there's also that $1.20 price that we do need to get above and find support above that, hopefully. And then there's this $1.50 price that's very key, that if we are able to get above that and find support, which we haven't been able to really succeed with back in the middle of January when we did attempt it, but we need to get above that 150, find support, and that's the most that's the best case that we have to see a good Cardano rally, is surpassing that $1.50 price. Now, we've seen it attempt that plenty of times, even back in December, but we didn't succeed there either. Now, to look at this $1.50 price, when we did pass it back in May of 2021, we saw it go on a really good rally, but it had a hard time holding on to that until it eventually fell through. But it did eventually retry that back in August of 2021. That sent us on a really big rally that did get us all the way up to $3. So it did double from that $1.50 price over a very short span. We just saw it over a couple of weeks, eventually getting to that $3 price, above that $3 price, and then it wasn't able to hold. There was a lot of things going on that was helping drive it at the time, like the Alonzo update, the Cardano summit, and then we eventually fell through. We saw a lot of consolidation, a lot of drama going on with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies this time, with a lot of China FUD and etc. that was really affecting the market at that time. Now, back in that last rally we had in August of 2021, everything that was really driving that was the smart contract capabilities that we were getting with the Alonzo update and the news that we were to expect from the Cardano Summit. We got a lot of great news from the Cardano Summit, but it was a while until we really started seeing anything released, which was another reason why Cardano had a hard time holding on to that price. But there were many people that still held on to Cardano. Now, as we had seen a lot of this selling off over in the crypto space, we saw Cardano's price dropping even more. But a lot of these things that we were expecting back then, we have now. We have so much more, actually, and there's a lot more that Cardano does than many people had expected, back over even in the summertime. So there's a lot to really look forward to with Cardano, in my personal opinion. And I would say probably the next big rally that we get with Bitcoin, that could really help send things off. One thing that makes me very bullish with Cardano right now, being at this low price, is that U.S. lawmakers have been loading up on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, and of course other altcoins as well, as these prices have been low. So, of course, anything is possible with Biden's infrastructure bill, but this is a good sign that even the lawmakers are seeing potential. And we've also seen some large whales double their holdings of Cardano with this low price. So this is another sign that could mean that there could be a potential breakout coming. Now, coming recently after we've seen Sunday Swap launch on Cardano for over a week now, where it has reached over 70 million in total value locked following the launch, we've just recently seen another DEX go live on Cardano called ADEX. ADEX is an automated liquidity protocol that facilitates trades within the Cardano ecosystem in a completely decentralized and non-custodial way. So based off the news that is currently out and the different applications that Cardano currently has, and we're seeing this large evolution that they're having with NFTs, gaming, all these different things are going to be very beneficial. And especially with the whole recovery that we do see, hopefully soon within the crypto market, there is just many reasons why I think that Cardano is due for a breakout. And I think that we're going to see a big breakout with many other cryptocurrencies as well. But again, this is all just my personal opinion, and I'm not telling you guys this, and I'm not telling you guys to invest in the Cardano. So please do more research and look into everything, and do your own due diligence, please. Now, with that being said, I'd like to hear everybody else's thoughts and opinions on Cardano. What do you guys currently think of it? Do you guys think that the price that it's currently at has much more potential to continue growing? Do you think we could see Cardano going to $3, $4, etc.? Now, my absolute bullish predictions is I predict the Cardano could easily be going to $5 this year, or even $7, and possibly even $10 sometime within 2022. Anything can happen. We've seen it many times with other cryptocurrencies as well. So with that being said, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts and opinions. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. New videos coming out all the time. Thanks for watching.